Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, I'll be continuing my series on derivative of trigonometric function. And today, I'll be solving questions that involve product and quotient rule. All right. So this particular question involves product rule, and this involves quotient rule. This is just a 5 or 10 seconds questions. So these are very cheap questions. If you know you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Now, the first question here is just so easy. All right, so I just placed it there to remind you of what's the part 1 of this video. So if you're asked to find the derivative of this, what you just need to do is this. I'll take the y, the x is equal to, now I'll bring down this 5. What's the derivative of what? Or what if you differentiate sine x, what will you get? Cos x. If you have not watched the part 1 of this video, please kindly do that. Right? Now, put your minus 7 here in bracket. If you differentiate this, what will you get? You get minus what? Sine x. Okay? So if you differentiate sine, you get what? Cos x. If you differentiate cos x, you get what? Minus sine x. You can check that in my part 1. Now, I'll have to rewrite this 5 cos x. Now, if this minus sine multiply this minus sine, what will you have? Plus 7 what? Sine x. So this is our answer. It's a very simple question. While the second one, we have x squared sine what? X. So I'll rewrite it first. S squared will be u, then sine x will be what? V. Remember the product rule, the formula. So if you want to solve for the dy dx, the formula for product rule, you can check my video on just differentiation. All right, you have pick this first, u dv dx plus v du dx. Now this is very simple. What it means is this is a formula. All right, what it means is this u here, pick u, so we now have what is u? S squared. Okay, differentiate v. So if you differentiate v, or if you find the derivative of what sine x, what will you get? Cos x. Cos what? X. Now we have solved this part of the equation. Put your sign here plus pick v. What is v? Sine x. All right. Now differentiate what? U. Look for the derivative of what? U. And if you look for the derivative x squared, use this 2 to put this 2 at the back. So you now have 2. Bring down this x. Now subtract 1 from this 2. You have 2x raised to the power what? 1. 2x raised to the power 1 is empty as 2x. So if you differentiate x squared, this is how you carry out the differentiation. You have what? 2x. Okay, so I can now write it this way. Divide the x is equal to x squared cos x plus 2x sine what? X. So this is the answer. It's very simple and direct. All right. The next and the last one is simple. Now, let's rewrite this first. We have y is equal to what? Tan x all over what? X. And you're asked to what? Find the derivative. Okay. Now, this is our what? U, and this is our what? V. So, division. This is division, all right? So, this is actually what? Quotient what? Rule. So, the formula dy dx is equal to what? V du dx, all right? Minus what? U dv dx all over what? V what? Square. Right, so this is the simple formula to solve that, and you follow the same rule we followed in product rule. So pick v first. What is v? X. So now have x. All right, differentiate u. All right, we're going to differentiate it. If you differentiate tan x, what will it give? To give you what? Sec square what? X. Sec means what? Second. All right. So please take note of that. So secant what? Square x minus, can watch the part 1 of this video. All these things are explained there. Now, u, what is, okay, you pick what? U now. What is u? Tan x, okay? After that, you differentiate what? V. If you differentiate x, this is the same thing as x raised to power 1. So you bring down the 1 is at the back, then you subtract. Let me redo it again so that you understand it. Now, I want to differentiate this. This x is the same thing as x raised to power 1. What will I do? I'll bring down what? The 1. I have 1 here. I'll bring down what? This x. I'll subtract 1 minus 1. What will it give me? 0. So it's now x raised to power 0. X raised to power 0 is the same thing as what? 1. Any value raised to power 0 is 1. So we now have 1 times what? 1, which is what? 1. So bracket what? 1. Okay, all over what? What is v? X, v square. So x was square. So our answer, dy dx is equal to what? X sec square what? X minus what? Tan what? If you use 1 to multiply it, you have the same thing. Tan what? X. All over what? X what? Square. So this is the answer. It's a very simple question. Now I'll be giving you a very simple assignment. So solve this simple assignment in the last part of this video. I'll be solving this question and some other more challenging questions. Thank you for watching.